In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off BitLocker on Windows 11. If your PC has BitLocker encryption turned on, it means your drive's data is protected with encryption. That's great for security, but there are times when you might want to turn it off. Maybe you're troubleshooting, preparing to upgrade hardware, or you simply don't need full drive encryption. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips to keep everything smooth and safe. To begin, press the Windows and S keys on your keyboard at the same time to open the search box. Type Control Panel, and then open the Control Panel app from the results. We're using Control Panel because that's where the classic BitLocker options live in Windows 11. Inside Control Panel, click System and Security. This section groups most administrative and security tools in one place, making BitLocker easy to find. Next, click BitLocker Drive Encryption. You'll now see a list of your drives and the current encryption status for each one. Look for the drive that shows BitLocker is on. This is often your main system drive, labeled with the C letter, but it could also be an external or secondary drive. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct drive. Turning off BitLocker will decrypt all the data on that drive. When you're sure, click Turn off BitLocker next to that drive. A confirmation prompt will appear. Select Turn off BitLocker to proceed. This begins the decryption process, which reverses the encryption and restores the drive to an unencrypted state. How long this takes depends on the size of the drive, the speed of your storage, and how much data is on it. It can range from a few minutes to much longer. While decryption runs, you can usually keep using your PC, but avoid shutting it down or interrupting power. If you're on a laptop, plug it in and keep the lid open so it doesn't sleep. You'll see a progress indicator showing the percentage completed. Feel free to minimize the window and check back later. If you started this on an external drive, keep it connected until the process finishes. When the decryption reaches 100%, the status will update to show that BitLocker is turned off for that drive. At this point, your data is no longer encrypted by BitLocker. Finally, close the BitLocker window. That's it. You've successfully turned off BitLocker on Windows 11. If you change your mind later, you can always return to this same place to turn it back on.